Welcome to Transformation Tuesday. Every week, we unlock a new chapter in your health and wellness journey. Here, it's about transforming not just your body, but your life. From nourishing foods to invigorating workouts, we cover it all. Hit that like button and subscribe now for weekly inspiration. Because every Tuesday, we bring you something fresh, something exciting, something transformative. Ready to make a change? Let's dive in. Welcome to Transformative Tastes, where we embark on a journey of discovery and wellness through the world of food. Today, in our very first episode titled Unlocking Wellness, the Power of Food Groups Explained, we delve into the building blocks of a nutritious diet, the food groups. Every bite we take is a step towards better health, and it all starts with understanding the basics: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, fruits and vegetables, dairy. Each of these groups plays a unique and essential role in our body. Let's start with proteins, the body's building blocks. Whether you're a fan of steak, adore beans, or love your tofu, proteins are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Carbs, next up, carbohydrates, our primary energy source, and vegetables. We'll explore why complex carbs are better and how they fuel our bodies differently than simple carbs. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're actually vital for our health. We'll break down the good, the bad, and the necessary about fats. Fruits and vegetables, nature's multivitamins. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they're essential for a well-rounded diet. And dairy, with all its variations and alternatives. It's all about calcium and other nutrients critical for our bodies. Understanding these food groups is the first step towards transforming our diets and our health. Join us as we unlock the secrets of each group in our upcoming episodes. Stay tuned for our journey through the world of food groups and discover how each one contributes to our health and well-being. Subscribe to Transformative Tastes and transform your Tuesdays into a day of healthy discovery. Thanks for watching!